A St. Thomas family is in anguish this evening as one of their relatives has been missing for almost a week. The young man, a security guard who lives and works in Kingston, reportedly went to retrieve a motor vehicle he lent to a friend. However, he has not been seen since.
A mother's worst nightmare.
I want to know where him is, if him dead or him alive. Just bring back my son to me.
Her son, 21-year-old Javon Graham, has been missing since last Thursday. She says Javon works as a security guard with Atlas Security in Kingston. His relatives explained that last week he loaned his car to a friend. However, when he tried to retrieve it, the friend said he was in Portmore while the car was at an address in Mountain View, East Kingston. Javon went to collect it Thursday evening, but his mother says they have not heard from him since. His girlfriend says she has been calling his cell phone unsuccessfully since Friday.
She called me now and asked me if I hear from my son. I said no. I can't talk to him last night after 9. That's the last time I talked to him. So I say she called the headquarters, the place where I work. Him saying don't turn up to work. So we went to the Alpha police station and them sent me to Mountain View police station. We go Mountain View police station, nobody fit that description. So from there we keep searching.
Javon's car has not been located either. The family says they are suspicious as the friend's story about the events leading up to Javon's disappearance keeps changing. He has been questioned by the police.
Yesterday I go to the station and make a report. So them question him and them send him home back and I don't know what come out time.
She says the police investigation seems to have gone cold as no one is in custody and the vehicle is still missing. The investigation and ongoing search has also been featured in the Gleaner's Star newspaper as relatives desperately search for answers. His mother giving this desperate call for help.
Please, I'm begging you, if you know anything about it, if you have any connection about it, please, if you don't kill him as yet, let me get him. Just keep him on the street. Let me see him. Let somebody see him. If you kill him, let we know what we see the body. Please, may I beg you. Have mercy upon him.
Herman Green, TVJ News.